Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Redshift Spectrum for querying S3 directly. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Redshift Spectrum for querying Amazon S3 directly, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Redshift service. Ensure you have a Redshift cluster running. Select the cluster you want to use with Redshift Spectrum. In the cluster details, click on the Properties tab. Look for the database section within the properties. Take note of the database name, as you will need it later. Next, access the Amazon S3 service. Create a new S3 bucket or note the existing bucket you want to use for your data. Ensure the bucket policy allows access for Redshift. Use the S3 console to upload your data files, preferably in CSV or Parquet format. Now, return to the Amazon Redshift console. Select the SQL client you prefer to run your SQL commands. Connect to your Redshift cluster. Once connected, create an external schema to link your S3 bucket with Redshift. Use the SQL command, create external schema schema name from data catalog database database name region as West2, replace your schema name and your database name with your specific names. Next, create an external table that references your data in S3. Use the SQL command, create external table schema name table. After creating the external table, use SQL queries to access your S3 data. Run a simple select statement to test the configuration. Check for query results to ensure that everything is set up correctly. If you encounter any issues, review the IAM roles and bucket permissions. Adjust any configurations as needed. Once everything is working, you can start leveraging Redshift Spectrum for large-scale analytics directly against your S3 data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.